Today we're going to analyze the Brooks Hyperion Elite 4 running shoes. To analyze it, we're going to utilize our structural parameter testing data, our mathematical model, our experience from clinical observations, and for our knowledge for the mechanism of injuries. We test our shoes in this apparatus, which tests the shoes for midfoot stability, hindfoot stability, vertical support, energy rebound, and cushioning. That's placed into our mathematical model, and from there we interpret it from our clinical experience and our knowledge for the method or mechanism for injuries. On this side of the mathematical model, the shoe is tested without its insole. It tests to have a potential shoe stability index of 27.2, placing it in the neutral stability category. So we categorize our shoes as neutral, minimal stability, moderate stability, and high stability. Tested with its insole, it tested to have a shoe stability index of 19.33, also placing it in the neutral stability category, but at a lower level. So with the insole, the shoe lost 28.92% of its potential stability, and we consider that a poor insole translation. With the insole, it lost 7.69% of its midfoot stability, and it lost 7.01% of its vertical support. So let's take a look at this shoe being tested with its insole. It weighed in at 8 ounces. It tested to have a moderate midfoot stability of 48 or torsional control index of 48 inch-pounds. It tested to have minimal hindfoot stability with a vertical compression index of 11.9 millimeters. That reflects a very soft midsole under the heel, creating instability in the hindfoot. So for vertical support, it tested to have negative vertical support with a minus 2.9 millimeters loaded heel to toe drop. In other words, when your weight was placed vertically on the heel, it dropped below the midfoot, and that creates more tension to the posterior calf complex. So because the shoe has minimal hindfoot stability and negative vertical support, we do not recommend the shoe for those with tight and painful calves, Achilles tendonitis, heel pain, plantar fasciitis, posterior tibial tendonitis, runner's knees, and iliotibial band pain. Performance-wise, we grade our shoes by how much they weigh and about how much energy return they have. This shoe has a very high energy return with a rebound index highly over 25 millimeters, and it's very light with a weight of 8 ounces. So we would categorize this shoe just around the ultra fast category. So we grade our shoes as slow, medium fast, fast, and ultra fast. So because this shoe has very little stability, we really recommend it for the more elite, well-conditioned athletes. We recommend it for neutral to mild pronators of light stature, void of lower extremity and posterior calf complex related issues.